Hi, we have such a question which is under trigonometry. And this question, the one on the board, it is a 2013 paper 2 exam question. 2013 paper 2 mathematics exam question. The question, of course, there's a statement which was on top. The statement which was on top, it was talking about this information we are seeing on the diagram. So you bear with me. I did not write those statements, but you will still understand. The first question was saying calculate angle RMT. R is here, M is there, and T is there. So to calculate RMT, we have this. We have the N there. We have the N there and we have the R there. So the entire angle from N, M, and R is 130 degrees. And we have another angle which is from N, M, there we have N, which is the north, and we have the T there. The angle there is 60. In short, the bearing is 60. The bearing of T from M is 60 degrees. The bearing of R from M is 130. So the question is, what would be angle RMT? Therefore, we are going to subtract. You get your calculator. This is paper 2. Please make advantage or take advantage of your calculator. You say 130 degrees. I take away 60 degrees, and the answer I am getting is 70. 70 degrees is the answer. So therefore, we are going to say our number one answer, which is the angle RMT, is equal to, and we can still repeat that one by saying, let me write it that way, RMN minus N or TMN. So what is the RM? We have 130 degrees minus 60 degrees. And the answer we are getting is 70 degrees. So 70 degrees is the answer we have found. The answer we have found is 70 degrees. Let's go to the next question. The next question is saying we find the area of that triangle. I can say triangle RMT. So finding the area, I'll just write the simple A equals to 1 over 2. Then remember this side here. What can I do? Let me try to redraw that diagram. I have my R there, I have my M, and I have my T. The length there is 32. The length here is 27. There, the angle we have is 70, the one we have just gotten. So this one there is a small r, this one is a small m, this one here is a small t. I'm sure we have done that before and we understand that. So we are going to say multiplied by the r, small r, multiplied by the small t, then multiplied by sine 70 degrees. So the area is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by the r, small r is 32, then multiplied by 27, multiplied by sine 70 degrees. Those are the things we have. So now, if you multiply through and through, let me just simplify it by saying A is equal to 16 multiplied by 27 multiplied by sine 70 degrees. Now, your calculator should be in degrees and not in radians. Please work on that one. I had such experiences with my students where they will say sine 70, then they're getting something else. So make sure your calculator is in degrees. So you will say 16 multiplied by 27. Thereafter, you multiply it by sine 70. The answer we are getting for area is equal to 405.9. So we'll say kilometer squared. Remember, when you are dealing with the 9 degrees, then the answer is not exact. You always round off your answer to 3, only 3 significant figures. So in this case, our area will be 406 kilometers. 406 kilometers squared, since this is the area. So that is the answer we have for the area. Now we go to the next question. We are finding RT. To find the RT, where is RT? RT, it is this side or this side. So to find the RT, we are going to use, because we have been given two sides. Two sides are known. Then we have included the angle. And the side we are finding is opposite to the angle given. So we are going to use the sine law when finding the side. So what side is that? It's a small m. This one is Roman numeral 3. Small m squared equals to r squared plus t squared minus 2rt, then cos. We say cos m, capital letter M. What is small letter m? It is the one we are looking for, which is rt. What is small letter r? That one there, which is 32. So it will be 32 squared plus 27 squared minus 2 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 27 multiplied by cos 70 degrees. So that is the angle we got. Okay, then thereafter now, what is 32 squared? Again, you get your calculator and you punch 32 squared. 32 squared. The answer we are getting is 1024 plus 27 squared. 27 squared, we are getting 729. Then minus, if you multiply 2 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 27, then multiplied by cos 70. The answer is 591.01. Then we have 08077. So we'll say m squared is, we add these two. We have 1024 plus 729. The answer we are getting is 1753. 1753. Minus that, the answer we have there, which is that. So now what is 1753 minus 591 what we have there? Minus 591.010. 8077. So m squared is equal to 116.989192. Thereafter, we square root both sides. So we have, I think this one now, okay, we have m is equal to the square root of the answer we have found. Square root of that answer we have found is 34.0879. Of course, we want to have 3 significant figures, so I'll say therefore our RT is equal to 34.1. What is this? Kilometer. 34.1 kilometer. That's the answer we have gotten. That's the answer we have. We now go to the last question, which says we find the shortest distance, ms. Now, there is ms. According to the statement, it says there was something which was built along RT. Something has been constructed along RT, and this one, it will be the shortest distance from M to meet RT. And there where it will meet RT, the point is S. So find the MS, means shortest distance from M to RT. So meaning we have the length here from there, which is coming like this, there. There we have S. So to find shortest distance, we do the following. Shortest distance, it is equal to 2 multiplied by the area you got, then divided by B. 2 divided by, 2 multiplied by A, then divided by B. What is our A? Remember, our A is the area we got, which is 406 kilometers squared. What will be our B? Our B, it is this length here, RT, the one we are just from getting. Our B, which is 34.1. That is the B. So therefore we insert shortest distance is equal to 2 multiplied by 406, the one we got, then divided by 34.1. 34.1. So shortest distance equals to 2 multiplied by 406. Then the answer we get is 812 divided by 34.1. So the answer we got divided by 34.1. So the answer for shortest distance we are getting is 23.8 kilometer. 23.8 kilometer. This marks the end to our question. Thank you.